intention is that we should saturate it in such a manner that it doesn't really happen only because of APS. It happens more of as a regular activity, and then it is saturated much before that particular requirement comes in. So that is why I requested the CMET team also to hold it more frequently and to hold it in a regular manner, so that we can first saturate all the faculty members here, and also to accommodate more and more needs for a repeat training and an advanced training, and it will happen only when we increase the frequency. So with that thought in mind, I think we'll hand over the mic to Director Sir for Sir's comments. Thank you.
Now in a relay race, we pass the baton.
Good morning all. Dr. Joshi, our team, and the CMET team,